the basic meaning of work, energy, and power. All these things we have learned: work, energy, and power. And we got the definition of power also. And yesterday I gave you one problem. Sana, please read that problem for everyone.
Ye- Yes, sir. A
Yeah.
heater is rated at 1.5 kilowatt. It is
Wait one
used.
second. Wait. What is the power of heater? Is it like 1.5 kilowatt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then continue. Continue.
It it is used for 3 hours per day for 20 days.
Look at this. 3 hours per day means, can I write it as 3 hour per day like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For how many days I used it? I used it for 20 days, no?
20 days.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
20
sir.
days. This day and day they get cancelled. So that is like 60 hours. No, time is like 60 hours. Did I use it for 60 hours?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now what will be the electrical energy consumed by it? Electrical energy is like PT, right? The formula is like PT, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And P is like 1.5 and T is like 60 hours. So it becomes, how much it becomes? It becomes 90 kilowatt
90.
hour
90.
now.
Yes,
90
sir.
kilowatt hour. You
Yes,
can check
sir.
this. Actually 15 into 60 is like 900, but 1 point it comes backward. No, so that is like 90 kilowatt hour. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this much energy I'm using. Now, what is the cost of electricity for 1 kilowatt? 1 kilowatt hour.
3
3
3
rupees.
rupees, no?
3,
So,
sir.
but I'm using 90 kilowatt hour. So 90 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour is 3. So that's why how much cost it is? 270 rupees, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this much money I have to pay. Very simple, no? It is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it is over now. This chapter is over. There is nothing remaining here. All kinds of problems I have told you in this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
dear children. I mean, there should not be any issue for you guys. Okay. Everything is going to be same. And one more thing I want to say here: law of conservation of energy we have discussed. No, we have discussed about what? Law of conservation of energy, right? Do you remember this law of conservation of energy? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Law of conservation of energy. Do you remember? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy can be transferred from one form to another form. And in the process of transfer of energy from one form to another form, what is done? Work is done, no?
Work
Yes,
is
sir.
done.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So now look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Now this is a ball. I mean, this is the earth surface. The earth surface is like this. Okay. Here is the earth surface. This is earth. Okay. So earth surface is there. Now there is a ball here. There is a ball. Okay. Now this ball is having what energy? For example, a boy is holding this ball. Now what energy this ball is having? Tell me. This is having potential energy, no?
Yes, sir.
How much is that potential energy? Is that mgh? The mass of the ball
Yes.
is like m, and you have come to height h. For example, you have come to height h. Some height h you have come. So potential energy is like mgh, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Now what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy like zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Because that ball is not moving. It is at rest. That boy is holding this ball. Now this ball slowly comes down. It comes down. Now it comes here, and it is here now. Again it will come down and it will fall for sure. Now here, if I do, now here this potential energy plus kinetic energy, what is that? Mgh plus 0 means it becomes mgh only. Now here if I do, now the ball has reached black color, no? It is, so let me write black only. That ball has reached here. Now if I ask you what is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, tell me what is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy? Tell me what is that now? Now also
MGH
it is
plus half.
mgh. Yes. No, no, you should not say mgh plus half mv square or something like that. Totally, if you calculate here, what was the energy? What was the total energy? Mgh plus 0 means, what was that? Mgh plus 0 means mgh, no? So whatever energy was here, the same energy will be here also. So that's why potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to mgh. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is just that when it came to this point, no, here potential energy has decreased and kinetic energy has increased. Why potential energy has decreased? Because height is becoming less, no, here only this much height is there. So that's why potential energy is decreased, but due to that kinetic energy, it is maintained, no. So that's why now it is coming here also. Here also, if I am asking you what is the sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy, you should say it is mg. Clear, dear children?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Is it clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
Now don't think like, sir, here there is no height, sir. Here there is no height. Height is zero. How mgh? No, this mgh is there. No, here potential energy has become zero, but this kinetic energy has become equal to mgh, because here whatever potential energy mgh was there, that is converted to kinetic energy here. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? Yes or no? No. Initially, here everything was potential energy. Here all was potential energy at this point. Okay, what was the potential energy? mgh. Now it has come to this. Now for this, I'm going to give you one example here. Please make a note of all these things quickly, dear children. Yeah, okay. All right. Along with me, you should be making notes, okay? Along with me only as I'm writing. Okay, all right. Now it's like this is a freely falling ball, no? So now it is like point A and it has come to point B and you have come to point C. Wherever you go, this is the earth surface. This is the earth, okay? So wherever you want to go, point C, and you have come to on the surface of earth, point D. Now I'm going to say total energy means I'll write a t, okay? Total energy, I'm not talking about potential energy or kinetic energy. Total energy at point A is equal to total energy at point B is equal to total energy at point C is equal to total energy at point D. Is it understood, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am not saying potential energy is not changing and kinetic energy is not changing. Here, potential energy is U, means here potential energy is U1. But here potential energy is U double dash. I mean U1, U2, like that you can write. Okay. So here potential energies are different, but kinetic energy is also different. But total sum is same. Now look at this. This is U1, this is U2, and this is here if the ball is there, here it is U3, and here it is U4. All potential energies are different. Now here the potential energy is maximum. Here potential energy is decreased. Here still decreased. Here what is the potential energy? U4 is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no? So because there is no height for that. Are you understanding my point? All these potential energies may change and kinetic energy will also change. So I will just write it as this one as U1 plus, this one I will write it as U1 plus K1, and this one I will write it as U2 plus K2, and this one I will write it as U3 plus K3, and this one I will write it as U4 plus K4. But if you add all of this, then definitely you are going to get the same total energy, that is T, T, T. That is not like T1, T2, T3, T4. Understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Did you get this point? Very, very important. And this proof will come in which class? This proof will come in which class?
11th class.
Yes, I would have proved here also, but I don't want to prove that and waste your time, because we have some other things to study. So that's why I don't want to prove it here. In 11th class, you will be proving this. Do you want proof of this now only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you want this proof, but we have so many other things to be taught, dear children. So that's why please wait till your 11th class. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. If you want, I will prove it at the end of the session if I get any extra time and all. Not end of the session, any after completing everything, I'm going to prove this. Now tell me, if I ask you, there is a ball. Okay. Now here is the earth surface. Okay. Now here, now this ball is at some height. Okay. Some height it is having. Let me take this height to be 10 meter. Now it is at 10 meter. Okay. Now mass of this ball is like 2 kg. 2 kg. Okay, now it has come to this point. Now this point it has come. Now the height of this ball is like 4 meter. It has come to 4 meter. Now they're asking what is the kinetic energy of this ball here? What is the kinetic energy of this ball? Did you understand the problem, whatever I have told?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is like point A Now it has come to point B. They're asking what is the kinetic energy here. Yes? Please do this, dear. Please do this. Now boy is holding here. Okay, here boy is holding at some height. One hint I will give, dear children. Can I say total energy TA? To TA I want, right? Total energy at point A is equal to total energy at point B. Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then total energy at point A, can I write it as UA plus KA? And total energy at point B, can I write it as UB plus KB? Can I write or not? Just think about it now. Everybody is solving and everybody wants to tell the answer. I got your point now. Huh? Okay.
Sir, when they ask only kinetic energy, we cannot directly calculate it by half mv square, sir.
Half mv square, it becomes a little difficult for you. No, I am giving you a shortcut how to do it.
Yes.
Eh? You can do by that method also. Half mv square, you can do that. Okay, but for that again you have to apply equation of motion. From that height of that 10 meter, you have to travel this 6 meter and you have to find the velocity and all. Do you want to do that or you want to apply this method? Try both of them, you'll get the same answer, but which one is easier, you only decide. Vaishali.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what is the potential energy at point A? Potential energy is always mgh, no? Plus what is the kinetic energy at point A? 0, right? Boy is holding it, no? Kinetic energy 0, K is 0. Now, what is the potential energy at point B? That is also mgh. And I have kinetic energy at point B. I'll write it as kb. Now, don't think like this mgh and this mgh are same. I'm just writing it. Mgh is the formula for potential energy. Don't think like I'm going to cancel this. This, if you send this side, it becomes minus and get cancelled. No. M is same, G is same, but H is different or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, I may just write it as H dash also. For that matter, just to avoid confusion, I may write it H dash also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is M? M is like 2. What is G? G is like 10. And what is H? H is like how many meters for the first case? First case it is 10
10
meters, no? Yeah. Then plus 0 is there, as usual 0 will be there. And second case M is 2 kg and G is like 10 into H. What is the value of H for the second case? H is like 4 meter, no? Huh? Look at this. Yeah, here if I'm taking here means how many meters it is? 4 meter height is there means H I'm going to take it as 4. All right, 4. Then plus, then it is going to be kinetic energy at point B. All right, dear children, did you understand this? Whatever I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you must be saying this 0 you left. What is the point of writing this 0? Plus 0 means nothing will change, no? So it becomes 2 into 10 into 10 means it becomes 200. 200 is equal to, it becomes 80. 80 plus kinetic energy at point B. Now kinetic energy at point B is equal to what it becomes? It becomes 200 minus 80, right? 200 minus 80 means it becomes 120, right?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yes, sir.
120 what? 120 what? What I have to write there?
Kinetic
Joule.
energy.
What kinetic energy? It is joule, no? Energy means joule, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. But you try your method and I mean afterwards you message me which one which method is I mean good, this method or that method. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So definitely you are going to say the answer. What answer I know about that? Okay, clear, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope. I mean, you got to know about all concepts in work energy and power. All concepts in work energy and power are over now for 9th standard. It is a very big chapter. In 11th standard, you will go into depth of this. But timing. Shall I go for some other problems, dear children? Some other very, I mean, intricate as in which are very challenging.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So did I tell you like 1 metric cube is equal to 1000 kg? Did I tell you like 1 metric cube is equal to 1000 liter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did I tell you or not?
Yes, sir.
Told,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In surface areas and volumes, I have told you 1 meter cube means, you understand, no? 1 meter cube means there is a cube with 1 meter length and 1 meter breadth and 1 meter height. Okay, 1 meter means it's a little bit lengthy side. So if you have any tank like this, in this, how much water can you hold? In this, you are going to
1,000
hold
liter.
1000 liter of water, or you are going to hold 1000 kg of water. Did I tell this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 meter cube means 1000 kg. Okay, all right. All right, dear children. So let us go for some other problem. Okay, let me do this. Okay, write down a question here. A motor fills a overhead tank, an overhead tank. Overhead tank means syntax. A motor fills an overhead tank of volume 2 meter cube in 10 minutes. 2 meter cube in 10 minutes. Okay. Find power of the motor. Very simple question it is. Find power of the motor. It is very simple in calculation, but conceptually you have to understand this. Find power of the motor. Okay, do this. If you do this, now work energy power 9th and 11th also, this is a 11th standard question actually, but in 9th standard also you can just learn it, because whatever we teach you'll be learning that. You have that capability of learning whatever we teach. Do this. Yes, please do this. Yeah. With the help of diagram, you can understand it in a better way. Now here is the water, no dear children? Here is some water. Okay. Now here what I have kept? I have kept a motor here. Actually, we need height of the tank also. Otherwise, this problem you cannot solve. Okay. Height of the tank is also required. Let me write that also. A motor fills an overhead tank of volume 2 meter cube in 10 minutes. Find power of the motor if, write this, if tank is placed at a height of 6 meter from the ground. 6 meter from the ground. Okay, this is required. Otherwise, it's not possible. 6 meter from the ground. All right, dear children. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If tank is placed at a height of 6 meter from the ground. Now, is there any tank here like this? What is the height of this? I mean, motor is at ground level. Let us take this motor is at ground level. Definitely motor is kept at ground level only. What is the height of this tank? 6 meter, no? Yeah. So what is the capacity volume of this tank? 2 meter cube, no? Yes. 2 meter cube means how much water it holds, dear children?
2000.
2,000 liter.
2000 liters.
Can I say mass is equal to 2000 kg? I mean 2000 kg of water is going to put there at a height of 6 meter. This height is like 6 meter. Yeah. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now to put the water there, so this motor, no, this will be doing work, no, to put this water, work, no, it does work, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And to put that water, how much time this motor is taking? This motor is taking how much time? It is taking how many minutes? 10 minutes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now 10 minutes means how many seconds? I mean, I don't want in minutes. So it is like 10 into 60, right? 10 into 60 is like 600 seconds, no? Sanjana is saying 200 watt. Let's check that. 200 watt. It may be correct, it is. 200 watt. Sahana told the answer. Correct, no? Time is like 600 seconds or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now tell me, power of motor means it's like work done divided by time taken, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the work done by this motor? Can I calculate like work done by this motor is like some force into displacement? I cannot do that, no. But work done is equal to potential energy of the water stored around. So whatever potential energy of water
Yes, sir.
it has here, so that will be equal to work done. I told you many times, no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So instead of this work, can I write potential energy of water? So I'm going to just write P is equal to U divided by T. Can I write like this? U by T? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. U is like, what is the formula for U? mgh, then divided by T. M means what? 2000 kg. And G means as usual 10. And H means how many meter? 6 meter. Purposely I have given like this. And it is 600 seconds. And it is like 0, 0, 0, 0. It get cancelled. 6, 6 get cancelled. And what comes here? 200. And it is power means it is going to be watt. Understood, dear children? Was it easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Easy.
Calculation wise it was easy, but concept wise, if you know this concept of work energy, then only you can do this, no? Yeah, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Tell
sir.
me. And many of the 11th standard students are also not able to do this easily because they don't have that concept. So now tell me, concept is important or calculation is important?
Concept.
Both are
Concept,
important, sir.
Calculation anyhow you cannot do anything about it. I mean, if you practice more and more and more and more and more and more, the calculation will become strong. But concept will become strong if you understand it in a particular way, and if you take particular classes, then concept will be built. In masses, concept cannot be built. Slowly, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾ, ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's how you have to be doing all these things. Okay, dear children. So shall I go for next thing now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you do one thing I told you. What you have to try? Work, energy, power, whatever textbook questions are there, you have to try them. I told you, right? Work, energy, and power. I haven't downloaded the
sir.
textbook. I'll download. So all exercise questions, all book questions, okay, inside book questions, all of them you try. And I think most of them you will be getting, and maybe one or two you may be facing some problem and all. So there, anyhow, I will come into the picture. All right, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
this was all regarding your what? This was all regarding your
Work energy and
work
power.
energy and power. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is the document uploaded?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay, dear children. Now what we have to start? We have to start Lakshmi Kumar Yadav, Nikhil, Moksha, Vinayak, Kirtana, Shravan, Jagannath, Lakshmi, Mahima, Venkatesh, Vijay, Chetan Vajramati, Purnima Patil, Naveen, Srishti Mullur. Srishti, welcome to the class. Srishti, you were not there, no, for a few days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try to attend the class so that you understand all the concepts. Rishikesh, Ramu Tolmati, Anaga, Vaishali, Supriya. Supriya means Sanjana. It is Daneshwari, Sanjana, Aishwarya, Nisarga, Sahana, then me, myself, Shrikant B. Okay. All right, dear children. So shall we see some of the statistics things also now only, or we should be seeing it in the next class? Now only, sir. Now only, sir. Everybody will see. Okay. So we're ahead of everything, dear children. Okay, fine. So work, energy, and power. Please try them now. Make use of this half an hour up to 9 o'clock. Not to just, roam around. Please make use of this to have a look into your textbook. Then send your doubts. Okay. Sahana keeps on sending so many doubts, and Vaishali also keep on. Vaishali, you were asking some other thing, no? Yesterday you were asking something. What is that? Some other question. Some question you asked
Yesterday, sir.
yesterday. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. Yes. Anything, Vaishali? Do you remember anything?
Sir, that why large machines which will should not be put into an gang box.
Gang box? No, gang box. No, that was not the question. No, Mahima, I think its document is uploaded for everyone. It is uploaded, Mahima. You can check it later. Okay, it will come to you. Gang box, I did not understand, Vaishali, what you said.
Sir, large machines will be there, na sir.
Large machine,
Like
what you want to give example? Yes.
like ply cutting machines and all.
Okay. Those are not
Sir,
put in.
they uh, why their switch they will not they will put directly, sir. Why they will not put in a cord extender?
Directly they'll be having. Okay. They have all those thick wires, no, dear children. So all these big machines have thick wires, no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
They have very thick wires. All these machines are having, and thick wire means they will be having more resistance. What they have? They have very high resistance. Now, directly why they are connected means exactly till now I did not get the question. I mean, large machines. I mean, if they are using all these thick wires for the extension cord and all, there will be consumption of more electricity, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no? I mean, if they are put up directly there, then definitely it is going to consume less electricity and they'll be safe on the safer side. And immediately, if some accident also, if something accidental is happening, they can switch it off. I mean, all those precautionary measures as well as economical measures. So that's
Sir,
why they are not with any. Yes, please.
sir, sometimes if we put on a 9-watt bulb, sir, after some years
Hmm.
it is going to decrease its capacity, sir.
Yeah,
Means
yeah, definitely.
brightness will become dull, na, sir.
Definitely. Why brightness is becoming dull? You tell me. One thing is like it is because of external factor. There will be so many dust particles sitting on it. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
one
sir.
thing. I mean, if you just clean it with a cloth and all, if you put it again, brightness will restore or not. I mean, have you observed that brightness, this tube light, no, if you just clean it and if you put it back, the brightness will be normal, no, as usual. I mean, a little bit increase you feel, right?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
one
sir.
thing, external factor. How about internal factors? I mean, these LEDs and all, again, we have to explain. LED means light emitting diode. It's a procedure, how it works, how its capacity comes down. Nowadays, that problem is not there. We had that problem in incandescent bulbs. So, these incandescent bulbs are having this tungsten. No, inside this, there will be one element called tungsten, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So inside this, there is something called tungsten. As you keep on using it, it will lose its because how does this works? No, this comes in 10th standard actually. So when you pass electricity into it, when you pass current into it, it gets heated. What it becomes? It gets heated, and in that heat, if you in LED and all, there will be not much heat. Okay, but in incandescent bulb, old bulbs, if you hold them, if you hold those bulbs and all, I mean, they'll be more heated. No, in that heat, some of the energy is released in the form of light. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you keep on heating something continuously on regular basis, will it lose its, all the property? It will lose, and sometimes there is a chance that, I mean, it won't melt, but it will get, used and used and used, and it is becoming old means it will reduce its heating capacity also. And due to reducing of heating capacity, the brightness will also reduce. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes,
due to
sir.
that, I mean, as for example, you have that coil, no? So heating coil, water heating coil. When you bring that water heating coil, that heating coil, whatever it is there, it will be like this, no, with one wire and all, with two switches. So if you
Yes,
keep
sir.
on
Yes,
putting
sir.
it in a bucket of water, initially it is very clean. Initially, I mean, immediately it happens. After that, what happens on this coil? There will be rust and all, no? There will be so much rust sitting on it. Have you observed this white colored rust and all?
Yes, sir. White color will be there.
Yeah, white color. I mean, these are some oxides, metal oxides, which are formed. And due to this, the heating effect, I mean, in the water, if you put it now, in the water, if you're putting it, that heating effect is less now. Now it has lost its property due to heating, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, even in the bucket also, if you are using any bucket for that, I mean, bucket doesn't look like that, no? Okay, if you are using any bucket and all for this water heating, have you observed on the side of bucket, there will be white colored patches?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
have you observed this? So this is like as a usage is there, no? I mean, as you increase the use, definitely they are going to lose their property, right? All the properties will be lost and they'll become old and all, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no? So new cycle it runs, I mean, very nicely, but old cycle it does all sounds and all, right? Okay. So similarly, here also, as you keep on using them, they will lose their property. Mobile phone, when you brought it was very fast. As you keep on using it becomes slow, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Teachment app when I was using initially, it was too quick. Now so many things have been uploaded. Now it has become little slow down. Now I have to go for efficient system. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, fine, dear children. I hope it is clear. Did I solve your doubt, Vaishali?
Yes, sir. Solves.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. Anyway, then anything else, dear children? Anything you want to ask me? Please
Sir,
feel
that
free to ask me.
assignment you,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, that
In that you
assignment you
have
given
doubts?
us, sir.
Which
Yes, sir. Two
assignment?
to three
Which
doubts. Physics,
which
motion,
assignment? Physics motion.
laws of
Okay,
motion.
okay. Did I send a PDF?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was that? What was ninth standard? Class ninth standard laws of motion. This one, no? This one you are talking about, right? No, this is a test, no? This is a test I have given you. Answers also I have sent you, no? So this is some other old test, I guess it is. Okay, all right. So what was the name of that PDF? Tell me so that I can open it.
Motion and laws
Motion
of motion.
and okay, 1 second. Just give me a minute. Let me find it out. Ninth and test, class 9 laws of motion, numericals. I'm not able to find that assignment. Where is it? Did I upload it on the WhatsApp group?
No, sir. In assignment,
In
teachment
assignment.
assignment. Sir.
Teachment assignment. Okay, let me see here. I think I will get it in docs also. 1 second. Give me a minute. What was the name of that file I want? If name of the file is known to me, I think it is here. Okay, I got it. Let me share my screen, dear children. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Is my screen visible to you, all of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Screen is
Yes,
visible
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the assignment you're talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which question you want, tell me?
First question, sir.
All questions. First question. You did not understand this first
Sir,
question?
sir, that
No,
sir, third one acceleration they already given us, sir.
No,
So
whatever.
for
First
any,
question. No, wait 1 second. One by one we have to go, no? Actually. First question. Everybody, I mean, write this first question, all of you. Write down this first question, all of you. Vaishali will go one by one, okay?
yes, sir.
Vaishali, yeah. First question, all of you write this first question. Sahana, I think you have solved it. Sahana,
No, sir. Even I have doubts, sir. First
you
question.
have doubt? Okay, definitely, yeah. I'm happy that you guys have doubt. I knew that you guys are having doubt. And you are also very, I mean, cooperating me
Sir, I
for my
saw.
busy schedule. Yes. Yes, you have solved means well and good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Vaishali. If you have solved, please write down this question. And if you can keep your doubts, other doubts ready, and you can solve other questions. Yeah, Vaishali.
Yes, sir.
First question. Yes. So first question, please write down. Who got answer for first question? Tell me. Comment. You can comment. Commenting won't
Yes,
work
sir.
here because I mean, don't comment. Just say your answer. What is that you got?
Sir, 28.8 meter displacement is equal.
28.8. You got it as plus 28.8 or minus
Plus,
28.8?
sir, plus 28.8
Yeah.
meter.
Yeah. Actually, in answer, you may get it as minus 28, but afterwards you have to say plus 28. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this question? A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a speed of 9.6 meter per second. No? Yeah. Is it clear? I mean, what is the initial velocity of the ball? 9.6 meter per second. From top of a tower, returns to the earth in 6 seconds. So that means it goes up and it comes down in 6 seconds. Find height of the tower. Very, very simple question it is. Okay. Everybody has written this first question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let me solve this, dear children. So let me solve this for you guys. Okay. Can you see the paper now? 1 second. Give me a minute. Okay. Can you see the paper now? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Can you see all these papers?
Yes, sir.
Paper is visible? Yes. All right. Now, what is happening? Now there is a tower. Is it clear? There is a tower like this. Okay, dear children. Now from this tower, what this boy is doing? There is a boy. I mean, there is a boy. I don't know whether a boy or girl. So they are throwing one ball here. From this point, they are throwing a ball, right? With what velocity? With initial velocity of how much? 9.8 meter per second. No?
9.6.
9.6, sir.
9.6, no? 9.6 meter per second. So they are throwing a ball 9.6 meter per second. They are throwing it like this. Now this ball goes here and it comes back to the ground, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how much time it is coming back? In 6 seconds it is coming back, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what they're asking? They're asking for height of the tower. They're asking for height of the tower. Clear?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now height of the tower means, look at this. Now this ball is thrown with initial velocity here and it has gone above and it has come below. Now what is the total displacement of this ball? Is it the total displacement of the ball, whatever I am showing here? Because this is the initial position and this is the final position, no? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can I use the formula S equal to ut plus half at square? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now yes means u means what? U is like a 9.6, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And t is like, what is t? T is like 6 seconds. Now totally it has gone here and it has come back. In total how much time? 6 seconds time. Then plus I'm going to use half. A means how much I should use? I should use plus 10 or minus 10. Tell me.
Minus.
Minus 10.
Yes, I told you, no, always minus 10 downward. Everything should be minus. I told you or not?
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, why, sir, final velocity will be 0, sir? Why we cannot
Why
calculate
final
that
velocity will be
acceleration?
0? No, 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 no. Look at this. Final velocity. Does it like it comes and it hits? No. Now, can you say that final velocity is 0 here, Vaishali? No, you cannot say final velocity is 0. This is wrong. Completely wrong. Now, is it like ball is stopping here? It is hitting with some velocity, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, how can you say it is final velocity is 0? This is not 0. Vaishali, clear? I'm happy that you have asked this doubt. I knew this doubt will come from you, but this is not at all 0, Vaishali. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if you're throwing a ball and it is going to some height, here final velocity is 0, not while coming back. Here initial velocity is 0, here final velocity is not at all 0. Vaishali, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right. Now, all other calculation is there. What is there in this? Very simple, son. I think you got it. Everybody got it. Into t square means it is
Yes,
going
sir.
to be 6 square, no? Yeah, 6 square. So 9.6 into 6 means 6 6 are 36 and 3 is the carry. 6 9s are 54 and 57. Then it becomes minus a 2 1s are 2 5s are. It becomes minus 5 into 36. Then it becomes 57.6 minus 5 6 are 30. 3 is the carry. 5 3s are 15. 180. So 57.6 minus 180, you do it. Yeah. So how much it comes? It comes to be 4. 1 is the carry. 10 minus 8 is like 2. 1 is the carry. 8 minus 6 is like 2. Is it like minus 122.4 meter?
Minus 122.4, sir.
Minus
Yes, sir.
1. That's what I wrote here. Minus 122.4. Why it is minus? Because displacement is downward. No, that's why it is minus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, will the height of the tower in minus or plus? Everybody has
Plus.
become dead chickens now. If any difficult problem comes now, everybody become dead. Okay. So that's why I'm going to write what I'm going to write here. Height of the tower equal to height of the tower is equal to what is the height of the tower? It is 122.4 meter. Now, dear children, some of you must be thinking what this person is saying. He was saying all good things in work, energy, and power. Why he is saying so many bad things now? This, that, and all he is shouting. Now, these problems, no, they have to be practiced. You have to practice with basic fundamental laws. Did I tell you all the fundamental laws? How to take above positive and below negative, and what are the formulae? Did I tell you or not?
Yes.
So then by using them, what you have to do? You have to try or not? Then only you'll get it. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, don't comment, okay? I cannot see the comments here. Okay? Comments won't be seen to me. You have to be talking to me. Okay? Comments won't be seen to me. Yeah? All right. I'm not able to see the comments. Many are commenting now. Fifth one, sir. Fourth one. So I won't understand that. Third one. Someone asked third one. We'll see that third one. Then we'll come back to other things. Okay? Third one. Yes. Tell me. Third one. Vaishali, you have doubt in third one?
Yes, sir. I solved,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
I don't know correct
You
or not.
solved? Okay. Yeah. Definitely. You have that doubt, but all things are correct means you will get that. Third one. I purposely did not send the solution for that. Everybody write this third question. A rocket is fired. A rocket is fired upward from Earth's surface such that it creates an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. After 5 seconds, its engine is switched off. The maximum height of the rocket from Earth's surface will be. Yeah, very simple question it is. Everybody wrote the question. Shall I go for solution?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, tell me, okay, I'm sorry, what is happening here? Now tell me, if I go to the solution here, now here is a rocket, no? Here I have got the rocket here. This is a rocket here, children. Okay, small rocket I'm just drawing here. Now with what acceleration it is launched? With acceleration equal to 20 meter per second square, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what is the initial velocity of this rocket? Initial velocity like 0, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Initial velocity is 0. Now it goes for how many seconds it goes? It goes for t equal to 5 seconds, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
After 5 seconds, its engine is turned off, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
after that also it goes up, but up to 5 seconds only we have to calculate what is the maximum height. Now, even though it is going upward with 20 meter per second, will it be pulled down or not with acceleration 10 meter per second square or 9.8 meter per second square? Will it be pulled or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? You are trying to go up with a force of 20 Newton and somebody pulls you with 10 Newton. Where will you go? Tell me. You will go upward or downward?
Upward, sir.
Upward.
Upward.
With what force will you go? With 10 Newton, no? Yes or no? Are you understanding my point, what I'm trying to say? Yeah? With 10 Newton, you
Sir,
go
how
upward. No, then
initial?
also. No, how initial means initially rocket, I mean, initially is rocket, initially is this at rest, no? Rest only, no? I mean, is it like it was flying already? Yes or no? It is launched
But
means
it will
what?
be
Initially it was at
launched.
rest. No, it will be launched means it will have some final velocity later, but initially it was at rest only, no? Initial velocity is 0 only, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, try to get the wordings, okay? It is launched means what? Initially it was at rest only, no? Or already, did they mention like the rocket was moving with velocity of 20 meter per second? Did they mention anything like that? No, right? Vaishali, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Then what will be the final velocity, sir?
Arey, yaar, I'm not bothered about that. What will be the final velocity? If you want final velocity, you can just use v equal to u plus 80 and you can do that. I am concentrating on the problem, what is asked. Yes, Vaishali?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. What will be the net acceleration? Tell me. The acceleration of this rocket will be 10 meter per second now because it is also vector. Acceleration is also vector. It is trying to go above with 20 and somebody is pulling with 10. So ultimately, with what acceleration it will go? It will go with an acceleration of 10 meter per second square or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now they're asking maximum height. Maximum height means yes. Yes equal to what is the formula? Ut plus half at square. Okay. U means 0. T means 5 second plus half into A means what should I take? Should I take plus 10 or minus 10? Tell me.
Minus 10.
No, minus 10. Plus 10. Why? Because rocket's acceleration is above, no, now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but sir,
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
acceleration, any acceleration under motion under gravity will be negative.
Yeah, so that is for sure. If it is going, if ball is going here, now it is getting pulled here. So acceleration, if it is the only acceleration it is having, it is taking as, we are taking it as minus 10. Now already rocket is trying to go with what acceleration? 20. Now it is coming down with minus 10. Now what will be the net acceleration? Net acceleration will be 10 here,
Plus
no, in the
10.
forward direction. Now acceleration, I mean rocket itself is accelerating, no? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now here ball and all, if you are throwing above, what is happening here? The ball is getting deaccelerated. Yes or no? So when it reaches, its velocity is becoming 0, no? So that means it is getting deaccelerated, right? Downward it is getting pulled, no? Velocity is decreasing, no? But with the rocket, what is happening? Its velocity is increasing or decreasing as it is going above?
Increase.
Increasing, sir.
Increasing, no? So the acceleration should be positive, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood whatever I have said.
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
All right, dear children. So that's it. Then now, are you feeling like these problems are very difficult? Plus half into, I mean, t square means it is going to be 5 square. So it is going to be 2 ones are 2 fives are. 5 into 5 square is like a 5 cube. No, 5 cube means it is 125 meter. No. So in 5 seconds, it is how much it will be going? 125 meter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. I hope you understood this problem, how it came. Hmm? So, dear children, what we'll do, we'll keep one doubt solving session for all the problems, whatever assignment. From now onwards, whatever assignment I give, no, so I'll give you 1 or 2 days time to solve that. And after that, I'll keep one doubt solving session. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I think you don't have any problem from statistics. In statistics, everything is clear, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, statistics, everything you have solved in statistics?
Yes, sir.
No, that doubt also will keep, doubt you have. Who is having doubt? Who is having doubt? Please tell me. ಅರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ರೀ ಡೌಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
No doubt, sir.
Okay, if any doubt
No
and all,
doubts.
please, I mean, that session will be kept separately. And I mean, is it are you happy that I have solved this question, at least 2 questions now for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we'll be solving much more questions for you guys. Okay, now one more feedback I want. Which paper is good? The paper whiteboard in teachment is good, or this paper whatever I'm writing, this is good?
This is good, sir.
Why?
This is
What is the
good, sir.
difference, Rishik? Why, Rishikesh? What is the difference?
Sir, which we will write in teachment, no, sir, that will not look neat, sir.
Neat. And here it is neat, no?
Yes, sir.
Neat and clean. Yeah, awesome it is. Yeah, I know. Should
This
we
also-
use this? I'll be using this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. So shall we take leave now? Shall we leave for further things?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine, dear children. I will be seeing you in the evening with some other classes. So all of you take care and bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
good day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.